I changed my mindset about exercise, and this has changed my life. Okay, up until I was like maybe 22, 23, I never exercised. Exercise wasn't a big thing in my life. Okay, but today I noticed that I got up in the morning and I exercised in my room. Okay, I did push-ups, sit-ups, and I sweat, and I noticed I was feeling good. But for most of my life, I never did this thing. So what happened to myself that now in my 30s, I get up and I exercise. Long time ago, whenever I start my personal development journey, I learned that my body is my most important thing. It's my most important asset, after my spirit. So I made a priority to exercise. So before that, exercising wasn't, whenever I play football, I exercise. But the first thing I did was to start running. I love running. But also they say like you need to have a reason. One of the reasons that I exercise, that I look after myself, is that I want to become a great grandfather, and I want to take my grandkids around the world. I want to travel with them. I want to play with them. Have a lot of energy, and I don't want to be that type of grandfather who's just in the house doing nothing. So I want to be active in my 60s, in my 70s. Yes, this is where I change my mindset about exercise, because when I'm older, I want to be active. It was because of pain. It was pain driven, and also because of my grandkids. In the future, I know whenever I have grandkids, I'm going to be active. I'm going to play with them all day. And how about you? What was one change or one mindset shift that happened in your life that today you are doing things that before you never done?